for the Whitehaven branch of the Memphis Public Library, and I'm here to talk tomatoes with you today. Specifically, peeling and freezing tomatoes for soups and stews and sauces. What you will need will be ripe tomatoes, which I have here. You'll need a big pot of boiling water I have on my stove. You'll need large spoons, large bowls, or large pots. You will need water. You can have ice to go in that, or just cold water. You'll need knives, and you'll need freezer bags. So let's get started. Alright, what I have done is got my water boiling, and I have washed my tomatoes very well, and I am going to give them just a little split with a paring knife, just a little split, and I am going to put my tomatoes in this hot boiling water. Make sure this is up to a good boil again, and we will watch them. Generally the split starts in the side and the bottom, and they want to turn back over on you, so we just kind of go through here and keep watching them for that split. It'll be a couple of minutes till we start seeing that split. You'll notice they'll do it at different times. Some tomatoes will have a thicker skin than others, so we'll keep just turning and watching for that to split. Just check them all, see how they're doing. Split, skins have split, and I'm going to take that out and put it in. I use ice water, but you can just use cold water. I'm going to peel just a few more here after they've cooled off a little bit in the water. And see how easy that peels. Easy this is peeling. Freeze. I got my spoon and my freezer bags. I like quart bags. Just do what your family would use the most. How big of batches you need for soups and stews. And I am just going to fill these up. I fill them up about 3/4 of the way full. And I'll get all the air out and zip it. What I do is lay it flat so that it freezes well in my freezer and doesn't take up as much space. I want to thank y'all for joining me, and I would like you to check out memphislibrary.org, our website, for other books on canning, freezing, and cooking. Thank you.